I personally feel if certain parties in power, they will definitely try to push their own people into positions. But why not put somebody who is more capable, somebody who can really help the environment? That's the feeling I have.
But the concern is not that. The concern, as we have been putting throughout, is not about a political party. It's about taking away the politics from the institute, making the institute a political zone. And at the same time, when these people are talking about nationalism or nationalistic viewpoint, and if somebody is trying to go against the government, so they will try to rebuke that person through the institutional norms. Now that becomes a problem because then you don't have a voice of opposition. You cannot oppose what is happening. And
That is very important.
so
That voice is very important.
that has certain.
Go on.
We cannot let him settle down on that chair. It's a very prestigious chair.
Absolutely.
And so that's a problem. We cannot let him enter the campus. We cannot let him be in that post of chairman. And we can't give him time. That is where the ideological problem is. It's not about a political party or be political party. It's about the basic fact that who you are.
It's about education.
It's about education, and the people who have actually headed this institute have been people who have made films, who have been actually part of serious filmmaking.
Yes.
Now that's also question mark. And then, of course, serious is a word that you can define.
Yeah,
But then again, the general idea of serious filmmaking we all know.
इंसाफ हमारा नारा है आजादी
Rajat Chauhan!
गो बैक
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 How much autocratic can you get? Just because a few people have collected in a few cities, they have managed to do this. They have managed to just block a bloody page, which they were dispersing information through, and is something that they choose to communicate through. So this is what, and this time there is no problem putting down this page from Facebook also, strangely. A lot of things doesn't go down from there, which in spite a lot of people complaining, sometimes it can stay. But kinds of stuff like these can just suddenly be blocked. So that is all. So you can see what is happening unless we are vocal and vocal immediately. There are a lot of us who has managed to not do things that we are supposed to do today. Some of you have done the same. I urge the rest of the people to join in and show their solidarity soon, right now, today, not tomorrow. For the reason that if it's late, then it won't be of any use. We have to stand by them now. So let's get into this. Let's make
was happening in Jadavpur some times back. People just kept on. They didn't stop. So maybe that is the attitude that is necessary now.
That is there.
Where
Yeah.
I know that, yes. That you stay on till the time you break through and get your point noticed. So I don't see the struggle ending right here with 2 or 3 protests. But it is an ongoing process which people have to take up and say, we are going to see it through till the end.